Many fitness centers display tables that list your desirable target heart rate while exercising based on your age. It is recommended that your heart rate not exceed 190 beats per minute at any age. For a 70-year-old, the recommended upper limit is 120 beats per minute. Use the information in the table below to derive a function or formula for calculating your desirable target heart rate based on age. So here we've got our ages, and we'll go ahead and call that X, and the target heart rate, which we'll call Y. Now we know that our linear modeling, we have Y equals a rate of change times X plus an initial value. Now here we don't actually know the initial value. We don't know what it is at 0, but we can find it because we do know the rate. Okay, from for every 10 years, we go down 10. That means our rate is actually -1. Okay. Now, if we're not sure on that, what we can do is just use our general formula, y equals mx plus b, and just plug a couple points in. Okay, so for example, if we plug the 20 and 170 in, we get 170 equals m times 20 plus b. And if we plug the 30, 160 in, we get 160 equals m times 30 plus b. And this actually we can now solve. We can take the first equation. If we solve for b, we subtract 20m, we get 170 minus 20m. And we can take this and plug it in for b right here. So we get 160 equals, that's 30m, plus b, which is 170 minus 20m. Then we can simplify. If we subtract 170, we get -10 equals, and then 30m minus 20m is 10m. Dividing both sides by 10, we get -1 for m. So there's that rate of change that we can find algebraically if we can't see it directly from the table. Then to find b, of course, we can take this and plug it in up here to get b. So b equals 170 minus 20 times -1. Well, that's 170 plus 20, which is 190. So now our formula is y equals m, -1, times x, plus b, which is 190. So there's the formula that will calculate a desirable target heart rate based on your age x.